Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Shopify. Just follow these steps so you can start accepting payments smoothly on your store. First, open your browser, search for Shopify, and log into your account. Once you're inside, click Settings at the bottom left corner. Next, tap Payments. Under the Payment Providers section, click Choose a Provider. Search for Stripe, then click Install. Click Install again to confirm. You'll now see a page where you can either enter the code manually or simply click Next to verify your login. After verifying your Stripe login, Shopify will automatically connect Stripe to your store. To finish the setup, enter your publishable key and secret key from Stripe into your Shopify payment fields. To get these, go to your Stripe dashboard, click Developers, then API keys. Copy your keys and paste them into the Stripe fields on Shopify, and that's it. Once the keys are added, Stripe connects instantly to Shopify and you're ready to accept payments on your store.